Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the charging speed test in the Realme GT Neo 2 device after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update. Yes friends, just yesterday only I did install the Realme UI 3.0 update in the Realme GT Neo 2. Let me show you exactly. This is just only trial version, still the beta version running, and still the stable version did not release. So I'm not sure when we'll be getting the exact stable version. I don't have that kind of time period. So maybe 1 month or 2 months, but I'm not sure about that. But right now the battery percentage is exactly 1% during this process of testing, as you can clearly see friends. Let's see how quick the phone can actually charge at the 1% to 100%. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So let me remove this kind of bumper case here which is present. And here's a small chart which I did prepare. 10 minutes, 50%, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and 100%. These are the details which I'll try to write down. So as soon as I start charging the device. Let me try to keep the stopwatch ready. So I should be having somewhere around a big stopwatch. So this is my stopwatch phone which I'm trying to use, which is a Mi Max 3 device. Always I try to use this big phone only for the stopwatch most of the time. So is the stopwatch ready, and 65 watt super charger is also ready at this moment. And let me to start charging the device by connecting the cable. So finally friends, I did connect the cable and let me to start charging the device, and right now the stopwatch has been started successfully. The stopwatch is started, and even you can see a super charger indication as well, which is going on here, as you can clearly see super indication, and the animation also started to speed up a little bit kind of faster. Right now not bad. So I can be back after 10 minutes of time. Let's see in the 10 minutes how much the Realme GT Neo 2 will get charged. And right now the temperature is about close to 29 degrees only. So which is pretty lower temperatures, nothing much high temperatures. So this is a good way to start the charging test, not bad. I can be back after 10 minutes of time. Let's see in the 10 minutes how much the phone can actually get charged. I'll try to check exactly friends after 10 minutes. And don't forget to follow the playlist of the Realme GT Neo 2. In case if you're having any other questions, try to click on the playlist and you will be able to find all the recent uploaded videos on this particular topic. Meanwhile, I can be back after some time. So right now as you can see friends, exactly around 10 minutes of time the phone charged to 37%. You can clearly see 37% in 10 minutes, and it's my first time doing the charging speed test in this Realme GT Neo 2 after the Realme UI 3.0 update. So let's check about the temperatures, what is happening. Temperature is 34 degrees Celsius overall, the phone increased, not bad. On the back side 32.8 degrees, on the back side 34 degrees on the front side. So well friends, 34 degrees Celsius is the temperatures overall the phone did increase during this process of demonstration. 34 degrees Celsius, not bad. So I can be back after when the phone gets close to 50%. So right now it seems to be kind of okay, I would say. This kind of speed in this device, not bad, but let's see how quick the phone will be able to charge 50%. I can be back after some time. So right now we're getting close to exactly 20 minutes of charging continuously at the Realme GT Neo 2, and right now the battery got charged 50% around 13 minutes of time. 13 minutes the phone took to charge 50% of the battery capacity, and around 20 minutes we'll try to see exactly what is happening with the overall charging speed. And right now the temperature is about 36 degrees Celsius is the highest temperatures the phone did reach. Not bad, 36 degrees Celsius friends. And phone got charged to 71% in 20 minutes of time. 71% in 20 minutes, and let me to write down 71%, and the temperature is about close to 36 degrees, right? Yes, exactly. So that is 6 degrees friends. Again I'll be back after 30 minutes. Let's see in the 30 minutes what will be the overall charging speed happening in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is going to be really very interesting to see how quick the phone will be able to charge after Realme UI 3.0 update. And let's check about the temperatures, what is happening. Sorry for that. So 35 degrees. I just want to see the bottom temperatures. So most of the time I'm trying to measure the top temperatures, but some users they did ask me to check the bottom temperatures. Bottom is about 34 degrees, 35, 35.6, 36, 36.4. It's slightly kind of increasing. On the back side 31.4, 32, 32, 34, and 35.2, 34.6. You can see how the temperatures are actually changing. So that's it friends, I can be back after 30 minutes just to check with the temperatures. I think after 30 minutes the phone might be able to like cool down a little bit. So let's see whether the phone can actually charge within 35 minutes or not, because before the Realme UI 3.0 update the phone used to charge within 34 minutes and 35 minutes of time. But let's see whether this time whether the phone will be able to charge within the time frame or not. So right now as you can see friends, we're reaching exactly 30 minutes of time. Let's see in the 30 minutes what is happening with the overall charging speed in the Realme GT Neo 2, and let's check out the temperatures, what is going on. Temperature is about 33 degrees Celsius, on the back side 32.6 degrees Celsius, not bad. And right now the time is about exactly 30 minutes and 94% the phone got charged. 94 in 30 minutes of time, not bad. So 94, and the temperatures were around, I think, close to 33 is the maximum, right? So I did not see any kind of sign of 34 degrees anyway. So 33.6 is the highest temperatures overall the phone did score. So overall 33 degrees Celsius. I'll try to write down here. Again, we'll be back after some time when the phone gets close to 99%. So by looking at these statistics, I think the phone can actually charge maybe 35 minutes. That's what I'm expecting, because right now it did reach that 95%. Overall, there is only 5% left in this device to reach. So I think maybe it might reach 34 minutes or 33 or 34 minutes. I think so. But let's see friends what's going to happen with this Realme GT Neo 2. After this charging speed, I need to do the screen on time test. So how many hours the screen on time we can actually get in the Realme GT Neo 2 using as my daily driver usage as well. I'll try to update that video as soon as possible. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested friends. So definitely 95%. So I'm going to be back after some time. So right now it's about 32 minutes of time and the phone charged to 97% in 32 minutes. So still it's going to take some time for the last few percentage. Let's see how long it's going to take. Right now it's kind of close to 34 minutes of time. Still the phone is about 98%. I think 99% just now it did reach. As you can see friends, in 34 minutes of time. And this phone right now going to take again more time I think to charge 100% anyway. So that of showing you in the real time what's happening. The temperature is about 32 degrees Celsius overall it's maintaining. 32 is the highest so far by end of the test. Not bad. So right now it's 35 minutes exactly and phone charger to 99% friends. 35 minutes, 99%. I think the phone gonna take a little bit kind of more time than usual. Let's see what happens. 99%. 99% friends, still it's taking some more time for the Realme GT Neo 2. Final friends, around I think 36 minutes of time it got completely fully charged. I mean completely charged. As you can see there is no animation at all. It shows completely charged indication as you can clearly see friends, not bad. After exactly 36 minutes of time, kind of close to 37 minutes, but I forgot to stop the stopwatch, that's the reason. So friends, the phone did take exactly close to 36 minutes to charge completely, 100%, complete 100% friends in this device at this moment, not bad. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comments below. And these are the final charging speeds and timings in the Realme GT Neo 2 after the Realme UI 3.0 update. Meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.